What is up, everybody? I'm Time Vending, and today we are going to be servicing two of my highest earning bulk vending machines, starting off with this Pokemon card vending machine at a barbecue restaurant. So we're going to go ahead, pop it open, wipe it down, and see how it did.
Sauce it up, Mongo.
AC, kill the beat.
So for 26 days, this machine made $368 for a total profit of $329.36. Now we are at my movie theater location where we are going to do a collection. But first, we are going to place a second machine at this location.
Sauce it up, Mongo.
AC, kill the beat.
So for 2 weeks, this machine made $58 for a total profit of $37.70. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you really enjoyed and like seeing more vending content, consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.